I'm Brandon Beshears. I'm one of the newest shipwrights here at the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum, and I've been here since March and really enjoying my time here at the Winnie Estelle. I actually came from the historic preservation world in buildings. A lot of the same hand skills and tool skills, but it's fascinating to me because it's so much different in that, well, you can see the boat's curved. If I'm working on a house, I've always got, you've always got to find, you've got a reference point somewhere. You've got the earth or something that you can go off a square to figure out where you've got to measure to and make a cut and make things different. On a boat, obviously, that's not going to happen. I came onto this project, I think at the beginning of July, I guess. My life, basically for the last 6 weeks or so, is just trying to, we're getting ready to put the bottom planking on. So trying to get the rabbet set, which is the groove here in the keel of the boat where all the bottom planks will go on to go up here to the chine board. This is where I was talking about like carpentry versus boats, and that's what's fascinating for me, because like I was talking about reference point. Well, here I've got this point, I've got to get to match to this point ideally. So I've got this angle, and this angle, I've all got to get together. So that's 3 different angles, and none of them are a set one. Like there's no, oh, that's 23 degrees, cut a line, go. It's literally just find a spot, try to get the fit, and then curve it all in the match, which is a lot of fun actually. Well, for me anyway, probably not for a lot of people. I got into this work because I truly enjoy it, and learning a new thing and a new skill, or just the challenging yourself, has been the most fascinating part for me on this project. With the history of the boat, like I said, we're showing people what they were used for, what life was like on the Chesapeake, but then, the interesting aspect, we get a lot of people come by and they just watch me work because they've never seen somebody doing this kind of work before. They watch people build, they build a building or something, somebody's just going in, power tools, and 3 days, do it as fast as you can, get out of there and be done. Obviously this is not fast work, and a lot of it is hand tools, still tools we've used for hundreds of years. Well, I invite everyone to come out and check out the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum and see the work that we're doing here. You can follow us along on this Winnie Estelle project, see what we've got done from this end of the boat as we go along and start planking the bottom, and then get her back in the water and floating so that our volunteers and our museum visitors can go out and enjoy the bay.